I'll be showing you step by step how to add custom theme sections to your Shopify store. To do so, we'll be using an app that has 35 plus free sections. It's called Puko Sections. Overall, they have 200 plus native theme sections and blocks. As mentioned, it has 35 plus sections and blocks for free, and overall, the app has a great rating of 5 stars. So I'll leave a link for this in the description below, but if you click install here on the Shopify app page, it's going to install the Shopify app installation sequence. And if you're comfortable with the permissions, I'll click install here, and let's go and set this up so we can add custom sections to our Shopify store. So first up, we need to enable this. So there should be a pop-up here when you first install the app, and there should be an enable now button. This is going to open up a new link, and it's going to open up the Shopify app embed section for your currently installed theme. If you just open up the Shopify theme editor, navigate to the left-hand side under app embeds, you can also access it here. So I'm going to check these off and then hit save in the top right. If I refresh this here, it has now enabled it on my Shopify store. Now I'm able to go and add customizable sections. So to do so, we have to head to the section library. So it should be a sub navigation item for this app. So let me pin this here so it's easy to access, and I'll click on section library. Here I can see all the pre-built sections. There are quite a few, and the free ones are unlocked. So I'm just going to filter this here. And what I want to add to my homepage is a customizable FAQ section. This one is called FAQs 01. So I'll click view more details here, and this will load this custom section. And what I want to do is install it to my theme. So if I click install your theme, I can see all the current themes that I have on my Shopify store, but what I want to use is my publisher theme that's currently live. You can also see the live theme as it will be at the top. This is your currently enabled theme. Next up, I'll click install, and I can see installation successful. I'm going to install one more section before I head to my Shopify theme editor. And let's say I want to add this custom about 01. So again, I'll click view more details, scroll to the top here and click install to your theme. And I want to install this on my currently live theme publisher. I'll click install again. I can see it's been successful. Now let's head to the Shopify theme editor. I'll head to online store on the left hand side. This should open up my Shopify theme section. From here, I'll go over to customize, and let's add both of these to my homepage. So under sections, if I scroll down to add section, I can see the pre-built sections for this theme. And if I scroll all the way down, I can see PSB about 01 and PSB FAQ. So let's add the about. I'm going to go back one, and I just want to add my FAQ as well. And so if I preview the homepage here, I can see the two custom sections I just added, the FAQ section and the About Us, and you can edit these the same you would any other section on your Shopify store. If I click into the PSB About 01, it's going to give me much more customization. I can customize things such as the text color, the padding, set the container width, and for each of the content sections, I can click into it and I can go and change this. You will receive your order tomorrow or something along those lines. So if I were to expand this FAQ, that's what will show there. I can add more content, meaning I can add more FAQs. And for the About Us, I can go and customize at any point by just clicking into the element about our company. So to finalize any of these custom sections, which I've then customized the content, I can hit save. So overall, this process can be repeated for any new section. If I head back to the app here, all you have to do is head to the app, head to section library, click view more details, click install, and then go and add it using the Shopify theme editor. The process is very similar for blocks as well, and overall it's a very easy app to use. To note, I don't have any affiliation with this app, but it's a very popular one on the Shopify App Store, and it has great reviews and it was easy to set up. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is just select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, including everything from your ad spend to your cost of goods sold, transaction fees, and much more. It's going to give you tons of different details, analytics, and metrics so you can make smarter business decisions. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description below, we can access the Shopify app listing. You can also search for it in the Shopify App Store, searching for Profit Calc, and then looking for this logo in the top left. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out. This is going to conclude the video here on how to add custom theme sections to your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.